A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So let us take a look on dollar yen. Just before we start, gentle reminder, this upcoming Wednesday at 6:08 p.m. if you can find on Facebook, we are going live on Facebook on Wednesday to go through 12 currency pair analysis, and of course if you are able to join us, please do so. Click the like button on our Facebook page to get notified on the session. On the dollar yen, we are looking at the daily chart. At the same time, we can see that the market is pretty bullish. If you are sharp enough, you may have really spotted a ascending triangle over here. Head down to the 4-hour chart. So having an ascending triangle is giving me alert for a buying opportunity, and at the same time, when I see the market keep on breaking a new high, it does give me a opportunity to buy. And of course, head down to 1-hour chart. This is what I have. Back to the daily chart, where I'll share with you my analysis, something new to most of my traders. First is this sell zone over here on the daily chart. At the same time, if we drop to the 4-hour chart, you're able to see an inverted head and shoulder, not your classic head and shoulder, but it's an inverted head and shoulder calling for a buying opportunity. And if I head down to the 1-hour chart, you're able to see this bullish shark pattern that formed at 110.84. so missing of this trade is fine. I'm waiting for a pullback for a buying opportunity as far as it have not touched the final line of the completion of this bullish shark. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.